three-legged. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Gentlemen, on my left is our returning champion. On our last program, he picked up $3,123 in prizes, including a great golf and tennis resort vacation in Arizona. This is Damon Jones. Welcome back, Damon.
Thank you, Alex.
And from Beaverton, Oregon.
Beaverton, Oregon, yes. Been living in California for 5 years now.
What do you do?
Well, I'm a waiter in Westchester.
Oh, that's right, you said that.
Yes.
Usually when we introduce waiters, though, it means they're aspiring actors. Is that the case here?
Yes, somewhat, yes.
Somewhat?
Yeah,
Straight acting or stand-up comedy? What do you like to do?
Well, actually, I'm working on a comedy routine right now. I've mostly done theater, however.
I see. All right, good luck to you today against this newcomer to our program. We're delighted to say hi to Lori Trent. Hiya, Lori. Oh, you got a little...
Boy.
Little boy there in that picture?
Yeah.
What do you mean? You think I was going to say a pretty little girl?
You had the look. Boy.
Boy, how old?
He'll be 3 on New Year's Day.
I see. Where are you guys from?
Hawaiian Gardens, California.
Oh,
right here.
Right here. So you've watched our show a lot?
All the time.
And you're eager to get into the game?
All the time, yeah.
All right, take a look over here. We'll show you one of the prizes. It's a goodie.
Designer Repro striking 7-ring mirror featuring a fine bamboo finish over strong fiberglass construction. 45 inches in diameter, sophisticated styling furnished by Designer Repros. Alex.
And we'll show you where you can find it on the board. Take a look, Lori and Darren. At number 13, the Designer Mirror. We also have a Florida resort vacation. And Lori, you get to pick first because you are the newcomer. The challenger.
We're going to start out with number 1 for January 1st.
Number 1 for
Green
January
take.
1st gives us a green take.
Okay, let's find a wild card or the other green take under number 15.
Electronic typewriter. No match there, so we'll go right over to Damon.
Yeah, I got 3 older brothers. I'm going for number 3, please.
Wild card because of your 3 older brothers.
Now I'm going to look for that Florida resort trip under number 9.
Electric range. The other electric range is at number 12. Open these 3 panels for him, please.
Whose side are you on?
Whose side are you on? Well, I'm on your side, but I'm also on Lori's side. I have to be impartial.
Okay, let's look for that Florida trip or a wild card on a number 21, please.
Diamond necklace.
I think we'll look under number 25, please.
Good place to look, but unfortunately there is no match. We have a red take there. Lori.
Okay, let's try the middle of the board, number 13.
Designer mirror.
Mirror. Let's find a match for that number 8.
Designer mirror, you did it. You found the match. That pretty mirror could be yours.
All right.
Open it up. Middle of that puzzle is going to look pretty bare now. Select again, Lori.
Okay, let's try number 23. The green take, and for the match under number 1.
You are right. There it is. Green take for Lori.
No, I'll wait.
You don't want the electric range, Lori?
No. I'll wait.
You have a range at home already, I take it.
Unfortunately, yes.
Is it not a good one?
It's a good one.
Oh, all right. It's obviously not
If
an
you like the
exciting...
crook, it's a good one.
It's not an exciting prize. Let's open up these 2 doors for Lori Trent. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 10.
Diamond necklace.
Okay.
Didn't we see that?
Was that under number 21?
I think so. That's where we saw it. Look at that. Another prize for you. Another opportunity to use this green take to grab an electric range. Electric ranges, there's a big shortage of them here.
No,
We're the only ones in America right now who have a surplus of electric ranges. And we could let you have an electric range with just a little green take.
That's okay, I'll wait. I'll save it.
Don't listen to that man.
Oh, we can't get rid of those electric ranges no matter what we do. All right, open it up. Select again, Lori.
Okay, let's try number 2.
Food processor.
Processor. How about a match or a wild card under number 4?
Pool table. No match. Damon.
I'd really like that pool table. Let's look for a wild card under number 11.
Crystal candlesticks.
This would be nice. Let's look for a natural match or a wild card under number 20, please.
Crystal candlesticks. Just like that, if you please. Way to go, Damon. Open it up. And
Is it choose up sides?
choose up sides, says Damon Jones, and Damon Jones is right. See, Lori, one of the advantages for somebody in Damon's position while you were making all those matches, all he's doing is staring at that puzzle, trying to figure it out, and hoping he gets his moment. And he got it and made the most of it. Come on, Damon. Let's go over here. It's a relatively simple puzzle, so you should have no trouble explaining it.
Okay, here we have the CH and the who's for choose. Here is up, and we have 2 sides. Choose up sides.
Choose up 2 sides. Choose up 2 sides. You pick first. Lori, 1 strike against you only. You're a newcomer.
That's
It's kind
okay.
of tough going in
That's
against an
okay.
experienced guy like Damon, but that's all right.
That's
You'll get to
okay.
play in game 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then.
Good luck.
All right, Damon, you're going to play for the car again, but before we go to that, we want to go to Gene to hear about your prizes.
Crystal Candlesticks, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select Crystal Candlesticks or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and an electric range. This Hot Point electric range features a large self-cleaning oven and automatic oven timer. A black glass door with window makes it a beautiful addition to your kitchen. Furnished by Hot Point.
And an opportunity again to play for a brand new car. First, though, we take this break. We'll be back. You don't realize. Let's understand something here, ladies and gentlemen. What Marjorie does not realize is that if I introduce her and let her do that little spiel, she's got 7 seconds tops on camera. But if I kid around, if I try to break her up, she's on camera for 20 minutes. She doesn't realize that I'm making her a star. Thank you, Gene. You know what worries me, Gene?
What?
I'm starting to sound like Regis Philbin. All right, Damon, the Hyundai Excel you could win. The Daihatsu Charade, you could win that too. The Nissan Sentra. The Jeep Wrangler. The Geo Storm. Take it easy, Marjorie. Try not to get overexcited. The Ford Festiva. The Mitsubishi Prius. And the Volkswagen Fox. Any of these cars could be yours.
I'd like that, Alex.
I know over the weekend you worked very hard and developed a new trance.
Yes, I have.
Here comes his new trance. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock. Study his eyes. Look at his eyes, folks. Is this a trance or what? Good luck, Damon. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 7,
No.
8, 10,
Right.
11, 13,
No.
4, 5,
No.
14, 2,
No.
1, 2, 14,
14? Yes.
15, 11,
Yes.
12, 9,
No.
6, 7,
No.
4, 3.
I think the 713 was the
Yeah.
Fox. I don't know what it is, but in recent shows, our players have trouble matching up the Fox. For some reason, it's the shortest
I'm
name.
giving up the trance, Alex. I'm just going to play it the regular way now.
Good thinking, Damon. $3,752. He's not in a trance when he plays the games because he wins prizes there. And he'll be going into another game right after this. Lori's coming back. Well, Damon Jones hasn't lost the game yet. Lori lost that first one, and so she has to win this one. It'll be a tougher game, of course, because we will have just the one wild card to assist our contestants in winning prizes, but we've got some super prizes, including this.
Clavinova keyboards, authentic piano sounds designed with easy play features that make playing music fun for everyone. Yamaha Clavinova keyboards, just for the fun of it. Alex.
Laurie and Damon, take a look at this board. We're going to show you the electronic keyboard at number 10. We also have a holiday in Puerto Vallarta and $800 in the cash pot, Laurie Trent, and you picked first.
Okay, I'm going right to the middle of that board for number 13.
Cash
There's
pot.
my cash pot. Okay, I'm going to find that wild card or the other cash pot under number 1.
Think so? No? Damon.
Would you like to get lucky with those lottery tickets? Let's try number 18, please.
Whirlpool bath.
8.
Puerto Vallarta Fiesta. No match. Laurie?
Okay, let's find a wild card or that trip. Number 21.
A red take.
take. How about number 18?
18 for another red take? No, Whirlpool bath.
Whirlpool bath.
Yeah, Damon?
Okay, let's look for that vacation under number 14, please.
Puerto Vallarta
Yes.
Fiesta.
And the match under number 8, please.
Number 8 is a match. Good way to start the game, Damon. Take a look. Select again.
12, please.
Betting ensemble.
15, please.
Whirlpool bath. No match. Laurie?
Okay, let me try number 13.
Cash pot.
And I'm going to go for number 20.
Electronic keyboard. Darn. Darn. Darn your socks.
Think we saw that Whirlpool bath under number 18.
Yes.
And the match under number 15, please.
18 and 15 is the combination that works on the Whirlpool bath. Laurie didn't want the Whirlpool bath anyway, right, Laurie?
Right.
Damon, take a look at the puzzle now. Select.
Okay, let's go for that keyboard under number 10. And the match under number 20, please.
Yes. Another good prize for Damon Jones' side. Let's open it up. So far in this second game, Damon has made all 3 matches. Will it continue?
See if I can keep that up. Under number 24, please.
Gold braided.
I got a friend that would love that. Let's see if I can get the wild card under number 2.
Popcorn popper. Fun prize. No match, though. Laurie?
Okay, let's try number 4.
Bedroom set.
Bedroom set, and I think the match was number 12.
Betting
Close.
ensemble. Yeah, it's close. You're in the right area. Your mind is working logically. Just you're a little off. Little off. Damon?
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 6, please.
Green take.
And I saw the. Let's go under number 11, please.
Wild card, so you're going to get the take. Nothing to take right now, of course. We'll show you the other one. The natural match is in the right-hand corner at number 25. Here's the take. Save it for use later on. We'll open these 3 panels. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 22, please.
Popcorn popper.
I believe we saw that under number 2, Alex.
Popcorn popper. Popcorn popper. Sound like Orville Redenbacher. 2 panels more.
Not yet.
Go again.
I think I need to see what's under number 16, please.
Cash pot.
Let's get that cash pot under number 13, please.
Cash pot. Laurie, he's not letting up at all. He's cruising along very nicely. You're going to have to hope that he makes a mistake and allows you to get back into this game. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 doors. Select again.
Oh, it's a tough one. Let's see what's under number 9, please.
Performance tires.
Performance tires for that car I'm going to win. Let's see if we can get a match under number 24.
Gold braided bracelet. Laurie, here you go.
Okay, give me a chance. How about number 17?
Performance tires.
And let's see what's under number 9 for the match.
More performance tires. These are tires that like to perform.
Right.
Open it up.
Don't know. Okay, let's look at number 4.
Bedroom
The bedroom
set.
Okay, what about number 23?
Bedroom set. What about number 23? All right, Laurie. Does this help? Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Betting
Ensemble
ensemble.
for the bedroom set. What about number 19?
200 California lottery tickets. Damon Jones.
I think we saw those lottery tickets under number 1
Right.
and number 19 for
That's
the
a
match,
match.
please.
Now you have this tape in front of you, and there aren't too many prizes left on the board. She's got the bedroom set and the tires.
I'm going to go for the bedroom set, please.
Bedroom set's a more
set.
valuable prize, I would think. A bedroom set certainly costs more than 5 tires. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 panels for Damon. Go again.
Let's see what's under number 5, please.
Betting ensemble.
I believe we saw that under number 12.
Right. 2 more doors opening up. Pick again. All you have to do is, whoa, you won't even have a chance to make another match. Hands on your signaling buttons. We'll start revealing. You can ring in when the light goes on. Number 3, number 7, 21, 24. Look at the puzzle very carefully. We have hay, law plus jiggle. Hay, law, jiggle.
A
Lori.
logical solution?
Is it a logical solution? No, it is not. Damon, can you solve it? Damon?
A logical conclusion.
Is it a logical conclusion? Yes, it is. Lori, you've got a shot at it. I'm sorry it didn't work out for you. Damon, let's go to the board. That was a toughie.
Well, you're right. That Jell-O did fool me. I was thinking jiggle, but I just couldn't put it together. It's hay, law, jiggle, con, look.
No.
A logical
What is he finding? He's
clue,
looking,
a clue.
He's looking at a clue.
Conclusion. A logical conclusion.
Conclusion, yes. Nicely done, Damon. Lori, it was this close for you. You came very, very close to taking that game, and I'm sorry it didn't work
That's
out. 2
okay.
strikes against you, so we have to say
That's
goodbye.
it.
We've got some prizes for you backstage. Thank you for being here. So long. All right, Damon, a lot of prizes to tell you about, so let's go to Gene right now.
A cash pot worth $800, 200 California lottery tickets, a popcorn popper, a whirlpool bath, and a betting ensemble. Burlington House's romantic floral lace bedroom ensemble in Wedgwood blue and rose, featuring quilted bedspread, pillow shams, decorative pillows, and Priscilla draperies furnished by Burlington House, and a bedroom set. Lehigh bedroom furniture adds warmth and charm to your bedroom. This all-wood bedroom furniture is beautifully styled, solidly built, and rich with detail, furnished by Lehigh. And a Puerto Vallarta Fiesta. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Puerto Vallarta, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Villa del Palmar Oceanfront Resort. 300 elegant suites, 2 fine restaurants, lagoon pool, private beach, tropical gardens, tennis courts, and fitness gym. Warm hospitality furnished by Villa del Palmar. And, of course, the handsome electronic keyboard. And, Damon, these prizes total $11,132.
Big, big win, and maybe a new car, too, after this. Damon has promised no more trances, just victory. 15 numbered squares, 45 seconds on the clock, Damon. Good luck, off you go.
1, 2,
No,
4, 5.
no.
1, 5.
Right,
7, 8.
no,
4, 10.
no,
11, 13.
no.
8, 13.
Right,
14, 15.
no.
2, 15.
Yes,
12, 9.
no.
11, 9.
Right,
6, 4.
right,
7, 12.
no,
14, 3.
no.
12, 3.
Right.
10, 7. 10.
I'll tell you.
Missed it by that much.
Missed it by that much. He wasn't in a trance, but he did it so beautifully. Next time, I'm sure you could win. But
hope
meanwhile, you've got $14,884 in prize.
Yeah.
Great for us. Gene,
Some of today's participants may receive Sunset's multicolor faux stone floor lamp, hand-decorated and textured white fabric shade with coordinated trim, furnished by Sunset. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.